Hey songwriters, here's a riddle for you. What do these songs have in common? When the Party's Over by Billie Eilish, Rainbow by Casey Musgraves, and Reckless Love by Corey Asbury. I'll give you a hint. It's the same things every great song has in common. There are a lot of songwriting rules and tips and guidelines you could read for weeks on the internet and not come to the end of them. Not really. Great songwriting comes down to only 2 rules, and you can learn to apply them in your songwriting right now. I'm going to tell you what they are in just a minute. I'm Beth Champion Mason, founder of 5-Star Songwriting, where we help struggling songwriters expand their expertise and achieve their 5-star potential so they can write songs that impact the world. When I was first starting out, I knew God had called me to write songs, but the songs I was writing were not good, to say the least. I floundered around for a long time trying to find the secrets of great songwriting. In the process, I made some expensive mistakes and squandered many years and thousands of dollars on songwriting courses and books and competitions and mentorships, you name it, that promised the moon and stars, but most of the time didn't deliver. Now, I've been able to reach my songwriting goals, and I want to help you do that too. But now, let's talk about those 2 golden rules of songwriting. Rule number 1 of songwriting: make them feel something. That's it. Every single great song in history makes the listener feel something. It makes you feel sad, or feel patriotic, or feel like dancing, or feel like going out drinking on a boat. Okay, probably that's just country songs. But think about it. I guarantee you every song you've ever loved made you feel something. Here's the catch though. When you're writing, it can't just make you as the songwriter feel something. Your job is to choose the words and the melodies that you create and the chords that you decide on to harmonize with. Use those to make your listener feel the way you feel. It's kind of an art and a science. The number 2 rule: make it fresh and different. The old saying goes, there is nothing new under the sun. And it's true. There's absolutely nothing you can say in a song that has not been said before. Seriously. But you can say it in a way that makes people look at it in a different light, that gives them that aha moment. It's got to feel fresh. It's got to feel new, even if it's the oldest wisdom in the world you want to impart. But that's the fun of the art we create. You can find a new way to say it. Don't just settle for tired old cliches. Don't say, you've got a lot of promise, when you can say, there's always been a rainbow hanging over your head. I'm Beth Champion Mason, and I'm on a mission to help Christian songwriters explode their expertise so they can increase their impact dramatically and advance the kingdom of God. If you know an aspiring songwriter who needs help, do me a favor. Please share this video with them. Tag a Christian songwriter you know who needs to hear this message. And let's help them become the impactful, influential songwriter they know they're called to be. If you'd like to get more tips, tools, and training like this, go to my website, 5starsongwriting.com, where I have a special free gift for you. Until next time, superstar, keep writing and make them feel something.